Hi, I want to introduce a little bit of our bakery, which is Cozy Bakery. Product on our bakery is Buko, and we have two workers, which is Anna and Haras.
Hi, my name is Siti Namaruda binti Muhammad Rafli. My ID number is BTB 2303-235. Okay, my question, based on the uniqueness of your product, how will your product be accepted in the market? State the target units of sale for your product per month. Okay, the evidence of Zakupol's, Nata de Coco, and sweet water in our products makes them distinctive. They are among the products that attract many people because during the summer, they are drawn to purchasing refreshing drinks. And many people enjoy food or cool drinks that can soothe the throat and are packed with cool fruits, which create a sensation of texture in your mouth. Moreover, Buko is not overly sweet, making it suitable for consumption by people of all age. The kids enjoy Buko more when it's served with cool, sweet water because it also contains a lot of mixed fruit. We aim to sell as many as 1,200 containers per month roughly in terms of our products.
My name is Nurkalisha binti Azman, BDB 2303026. Do you see any identical products that are already being sold in the market? How much is the price of the products? So yes, we do, and there are undoubtedly similar products on the market. Buko typically range in price of 8 ringgit to 50 ringgit, depending on the size of the bowl, the type of branded ingredient used, and the quantity of food served in a single serving. Which one large bowl serving enough for 2 or 3 people to share for dessert after meal. The price is reasonable for most people. This accurate according to the Sina Plus article, which said that of my bonus Buko period cost for 30 ringgit. Aside from labor cost, other overhead expenses also play a role in determining the final price of the goods. Therefore, we decide to charge our dessert Buko about 8 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Larissa Hamidi Mafazi. My ID number is BDB 2303022. We see here we have direct material and indirect materials. For direct materials, we have 9 items, and for direct materials, we have 1 item. So we go through first for direct materials. For direct materials, we have 9 items, and for direct materials, we have 1 item. Particular price RM, quantity of product that could be produced, and also cost RM per unit. So for the materials, we have 9 items. In lychees, we have only 4 lychees, so 1 bowl, 1 lychee. And cost per unit is 0.97, and corporate milk price is 2 ringgit and 99 cents. The quantity of product that could be produced is 8, and after we divide 2.99 and 8, we got 0.73 is 1 ringgit 60 cents, and in 1 pack of suri jelly we have 10, and 1 bowl we put 2 suri jelly in 1 bowl, we got 0.32. And for the fourth one is sago pearl. The price is 1 ringgit 20 cents, and can produce only 6, and the cost, the total is 0.20. And the fifth item is condensed milk. The price is 3.30, and the product that could produce is 8, and after we divide we got 0.41. And next is Nata de Coco. The price is 5.5 ringgit 90 cents, and the quantity product they could produce is 20, and after we divide we got 0.30. And syrup rose, the price is 1 ringgit 20 cents, and quantity that could be produced is 18, and we divide we got 0.07. Plastic bowl, we have 6 pieces in 1 pack. The price for 1 pack is 2 ringgit 40 cents, and quantity that could be produced from 1 pack plastic bowl is 6 only, and after we divide the total is 0.40. And the last one for direct material is plastic spoon, and 1 pack have 30 pieces and the price is 2 ringgit, and the quantity that could be produced is 30, and the total is, after we divide, the total is 0.07. And the total for direct materials, for price, we got 20 ringgit, 24 ringgit 47 cent, and the quantity that could be produced is 105, and the cost per unit, the total is 3.47. For indirect materials, we know that the hidden cost for Cozy Bakery, the hidden cost that we made buko is only one, which is pack of ice cube. The price is 2 ringgit, and the quantity that could be produced for one pack of cube is only 1, and the cost per unit is 2, and the total of cost price is 2, the quantity that could be produced only 1, and the cost per unit is 2. Next is workers and their wage rates. For Cozy Bakery, we have 2 workers that work for Cozy Bakery, and we hire on a time basis. So here we have Anna and Haras. Anna for head chef, and sauce chef is Haras. If we look at the table for head chef Anna, the cost directness in RM is 3 ringgit 47 cent, and the wage rate is 8 hours. And second one is sauce chef Haras. The cost directness is 3 ringgit 47, same with Anna, and the wage rate is 8 hours. So how we calculate? From the slide, we use our work multiple to rate per hour, and here from the table, both of them, for one day they work for 8 hours, not include 2 days, which is Saturday and Sunday, and they only work 5 days a week, and the total is 40 hours per week, and their wages 1 week that Anna and Haras is RM 80 in bracket for 40 hours multiplied to RM2 a month have RM 320, and in bracket RM 80 ringgit multiplied to 4 weeks, and the calculation that we made is RM 3 ringgit 47 cent, and divide to RM 640 ringgit, so the total is RM 5 ringgit 42 cent per unit. So overhead cost, we know that overhead cost that we cannot put in the another cost. So if we refer to the table, we have 4 column, which is cost centers, overhead cost, and the ringgit that we spend. So the first one is tools and equipment. For gas stove, we buy gas stove in 189 ringgit, and the kitchen utensils is 242 ringgit, and the gas is 28, and the last one for tools and equipment is styrofoam icepot is 15 ringgit 5, and the styrofoam icepot is 50 ringgit 5 cent, and next one is rental. The shop rental is 1,000. Next is water and electricity. For water filter, the cost is 5. The cost is 59 per month, and water bill 200 per month. Electric bill is 200 month also. And for the last one in the overhead cost is indirect materials, pack of ice cube. The cost is 2 ringgit. So the total after we calculate is 1,019 is 1935 is 1935 ringgit 50 cent. And the next one payable expense the OHR using the production unit as the basis of absorption.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, my name is Nida. My ID is BDB230G025. For question 9, so what I'm going to do here based on the slide is that predetermined overhead rate that we have is 557 ringgit 78 cents per direct materials. So the total we got here is based on the predetermined overhead rate, which is the total of overhead per production unit as absorption rate, which is our direct material. So we calculated this. We do the calculation, and I put 1,935 ringgit 50 cent over 3.47 cents. So that's how we got the total of predetermined overhead rate, which is 557 ringgit 70 cents per direct materials. Question 10. Calculate the unit cost of production. So based on all of the slide before, there is a total for that, and for our direct material per unit is 3 ringgit 47 cent. For our direct labor per unit is 5 ringgit 42 cent per unit, and our overhead cost per unit is 557 ringgit 78 cents. So the total we got for our unit cost of production, the total we got for that is 566 ringgit 0.67 ringgit. So that is the total cost for our unit cost of production. So on to question 11, we have to state the price of the product using the profit markup in percentage. So in this situation, I use 50% for profit markup, and based on the slide, it shows that 100% the total cost 100% represent while the profit in percentage, let's say it's 50%, then the selling price equal to total cost plus profit, and that's how I'm gonna have my selling price. Based on the slide, you can see the calculation here. So the first thing I do is that I determine the profit markup percentage by 50%, and the total cost that we have, which is total of direct materials plus total of indirect material, which is for our direct material it is 5 ringgit 47 cent, and for indirect material it's for our direct material it's 3 ringgit 47 cent, and for indirect material is 2 ringgit. So we total this up, and I got the total cost is 5 ringgit 47 cent. So using the total cost that I got is on the slide, I just simply put it in this equation, which is selling price equal to profit plus total cost. So we have our profit 50%. We're just going to add up with the total cost that we have calculated before, which is 5 ringgit 47 cent, and then based on the slide, I total the percentage up, so it's 150% percentage multiple 5 ringgit 47 cent, and the selling price that we got is 8 ringgit 21 cent for one bowl of our bukus, and therefore the profit that we got from the selling price that we have calculated before is 8 ringgit 21 cent minus our total cost before, which is 5 ringgit 47 cents, and I totaled that up, and I got 2 ringgit 74 cent for our profit. So our selling price is 8 ringgit 21 cent, and our profit that we have earned is 2 ringgit 74 cent. So moving on to our 12th question. So based on the slide, there is a table that I have made in Word before we put it in the slide, and based on the table, you can based on the picture on the slide, you can see that our customer is in Haya. This is job cost sheet, and delivery date is in December 5. The description for this is that Haya ordered one box of 10 bowls of buku. So in one box, we estimate that we can put 40 bowls of buku in one styrofoam ice box. So the price quoted I calculated with 3.47 times 40, which we got 328 ringgit 4 cent for the price quoted for Encik Yahaya's order. And on 3rd of December, direct material that we have is 2 ringgit 47 cent per unit, and indirect material is the same, 2 ringgit, and the wages we have is that our workers work for 8 hours, and they have 8 ringgit per hour wages rate. So the total up the labor is 64 ringgit. And there's utility bills, which cost us about 5 ringgit per hour, and the total is 25 ringgit. So the materials that we have total up is 26 ringgit 24 cents. 26 ringgit 24 cent. For labor is 64 ringgit. For overhead is 25 ringgit. But we have total this out and we got the amount of 115 ringgit 24 cent. And our selling price before is 328 ringgit 4 cent. So how much is our projected profit is? So I just use 328.4 ringgit minus 115.24 ringgit, and I got the total of projected profit is 213 ringgit 60 cent for our projected profit. Thus too, we have received a special order from Halal Street Food Festival, and they have ordered us 500 units of our dessert, which is buko, for the event, and we have to deliver and serve the products on 23 March of 2024 at Malacca International Trade Center, MTC. We have to prepare a price quotient for this order. Based on the site, I have prepared a price quotation for this order. And as you can see at the top of this first quotation, we have the name of our bakery, which is Cozy Bakery, and it's located in Jalan Laksana in Semenyih, Selangor. And there's also a phone number and email and fax number for our shop. And the date for this product's delivery is on 23 March 2024. And our customer info is that we have to deliver this product to Halal Street Food Festival, which is located in Malacca International Trade Center, MITC, Icon, Malacca. So there's also our customer's info, which is email, and the description of this work we have to they are requesting for 500 unit bowls of buko dessert for their event, so we have to prepare and deliver that on 23rd March 2024. So based on the slide, there is a service fee that we have to charge to our customer, which is 1 per unit price in amount, so it's equal to 500 ringgit Malaysia based on service fee that we have charged on the products. And for direct labor, we have our workers work for 8 hours a day at 8 ringgit per hour wages rate. So it's equal to unit price is 8 ringgit and the amount is 64 ringgit. If it's for 2 workers, the total here is gonna be unit price 8 ringgit and the amount is gonna be 128 ringgit, not 64. But we calculate it for 1 worker here, so it's 64. For buko dessert, they order for 500 quantity. So 1 bowls of our dessert buko is equal to 8 ringgit 21 cents. So the amount that I have to pay for those 500 bowls of buko is 4,105 ringgit Malaysia. And since they are never ordered from us before, we put a new client discount, which is 30 ringgit deduction from the original amount, the original total that they have to pay to us. So we put 30 ringgit discount because they are our new client. So the subtotal for this is that they have to pay us for 1,639 ringgit Malaysia, and we don't have other charges that we do to our customers. So the total quote for this is 4,639 ringgit Malaysia. And that's all for our presentation about our dessert buko from our bakery, Cozy Bakery, and thank you. And that's all for our presentation about our dessert buko from our bakery, Cozy Bakery, and thank you.